What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serrano's Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me on this very cloudy day, cloudy and gloomy and windy, so hopefully you guys can hear me. But really quickly, guys, I don't want to make this video very long. I wanted to give you guys some amazing news that I got literally yesterday, which I think is going to help a lot of you detailers, or maybe those detailers who have said, man, I can't afford those products you showcase, right? This video is exactly for you, right? In the month of April 6th through the 10th, April 6th through the 10th, Aramsco Dallas, Aramsco in Dallas is having a huge sale. A shout out to Justin for letting me know about this sale, which really, to me, it means a lot because I get to, let others know that maybe have seen a lot of the videos, and a lot of the times I do hear that question where it's, hey Carlos, I can't afford those products right now. They're a bit pricey for me, right? So if that's one of you guys that have been thinking about maybe trying out the Flex product line, or maybe something else, right? This is the perfect time for you, because everything in this store is gonna be 25% off. That is the Flex product line, brushes, even upholstery wands. There's a lot of things in this store that a lot of us detailers could probably use, right? They even have the dry pods. Those are going to be 25% off as well. So for that, I'm looking very forward to those days. Hopefully by the time I go, they're not sold out of some of those, right? But for sure, I wanted to shine light on the Flex product line because they carry this line here, from the Flex Citrus to the BioBreak to Flex Ice to Flex Fire. They carry this line. A lot of you guys have seen me use these products daily on my channel. And for that reason, I believe it is a perfect time for you to go and get you at least Flex Citrus or Flex Ice, or even BioBreak, right? Flex BioBreak. After talking to Mr. Justin, which is, he's, I guess, my representative, we were talking about the Flex product line, right? And I was telling him that ever since I started, I really have only been using the Flex Citrus one, right? And now I pretty much talked to him and said, hey, I've never used BioBreak because Flex Citrus is all I know. And talking with him, he said, to be honest, Flex BioBreak is probably going to be a better option for you, for what you're needing it for, the detailing, right? So very soon I may switch Citrus to BioBreak, and we're gonna see really if I like it, right? If it's better, right? He said that one was better because it had enzymes, so it's able to remove grease better. It was able to like milk spills and stuff like that. BioBreak is the one for that. So I'm definitely going to be looking into it, because I feel like, taking his word for it, and others have told me about it, I just really have never felt to make the change. But now I may be making the change, right? And really quick, guys, let me show you guys how long, let's just say what $50 gets you. To some, this may be a little bit pricey. If you see here, let me see if I can kind of showcase it. There you go. The date is 11/24 of 21. 11/24 of 21. And hopefully you guys were able to see that. 11/24 of 2021. That shows you how long I have had this product. And really, at this point, I am I'm gonna say maybe like 3 cars away, maybe 3 or 4 cars, and I need to refill. But just that gives you an idea of how long this product lasts. What $50 investment, which to some is a bit pricey, you can exactly see how much I'm able to push it. $50 has lasted me more than 2 years. 2 years, right? If we look at my Flex Ice, same thing. I bought this the same day. Obviously, ice. We are about quarter, maybe. So there's still plenty, right? But for that reason, these products make a lot of sense. That's why I really wanted to shed light on the Flex product line, right? But if you do go to Aramsco, they have other products there that, you know, you can try out. But really, a lot of you guys have visited the Aramsco store. Shout out to those who have said, hey, Serrano's Mobile Detail referred me to you guys. Thank you guys for saying my name on there, which sheds a light on me as well, right? But April 6th through the 10th, 25% off Flex product line. It's a no-brainer, guys. So maybe I'll see some of you guys there, right? I'm planning on going because I'm definitely planning on buying at least a Flex Ice and a Flex Citrus as a giveaway for my April 22nd class, which, by the way, there's only 4 spots left. 4 spots left, and we are going to be done. So I'm very excited. For those who are thinking about this class, really quickly, I don't want to make the video long. We are going to be talking a lot about how to improve your business marketing. We're going to be talking about DBA, LLC. We're going to be talking about products such as FlexLine, right? Tools, what do I use, right? How to do an engine bay detail properly, how to do headliners, how to wash a car properly, steaming, when to use it, when not to use it, right? We're going to be talking about pricing as well, how to build that perfect package. A lot of this class is really me giving you guys all the information I have learned through all these years, what I have taken off to better my chances of closing deals, right? This class is going to be full of a lot of information as well as giveaways and food. I think some people are really probably just coming for the tacos, but we have sealed the deal with Los Dos Regios catering company, which they were the first. When I did my first class, they did the tacos as well, and I love the feedback from everybody. So Los Dos Regios is going to be back with their taco catering company. So again, it's going to be so much fun, and at the end of the day, my goal is for you to leave this class full of knowledge, maybe thinking differently, maybe being more energized, more confident in showcasing your work, because I really hope that this class takes your business at least one step up, the next level. To maybe there's something in my class that you might needed, and you just didn't know maybe how to attack it. And that's what happens a lot of the times, is this class opens up many possibilities, many ideas on really growing your business and taking it to the next step. So anyways, guys, again, April 6th through the 10th at Aramsco Dallas. Everything inside that store is going to be 25% off, which I'm very excited because I get to share this with a lot of you guys. If you're from Dallas, if you're not from Dallas, make that drive, you know, make that 3-hour drive and come get you some amazing products at a great discount. You don't have to go to Amazon. You can literally come to Aramsco Dallas and get you a set of the Flex product line for 25% off. Anyways, I hope you guys have a blessed day. Thank you guys so much for watching to this video. And I guess I'm gonna go inside because it's starting to drizzle again. As always, God bless you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next video.